It most certainly doesn't happen a whole lot around here at Good eReader, but occasionally Apple does send us samples. We had an iPad many moons ago, but in this case, this is the brand new Apple iPad Air latest generation 2022. It is the 64GB, but they've also thrown in the Apple Pencil Gen 2 as well. So let's crack both of these open and see what is inside. Take the iPad first before we open up the pencil. Pencil will come a little bit later. Inside of the box is just a standard box, nothing too special about Apple boxes. And we have the device itself right there. We'll put that off to the side just for a second. We'll look at the rest of the box first. You have designed by Apple in California, made in China, of course, and you have really heavy power adapter with a USB-C. And yes, they've navigated away from Lightning, and this is all USB-C with a little circle cable and the power adapter right there. What is in here aside from the Apple stickers, which even we at Good eReader know they have? Of course, everyone knows Apple stickers are in here. So you have iPad Air, probably going to throw some cases at you. Nope, doesn't have anything in cases. It just tells you a little bit of what to do. Warranty information and the Apple stickers right there. Now for the device itself is right here in this nice wax paper cover. I really like how it's wax paper now, you know what I mean? Because it doesn't need to be plastic. Not everything needs to be wrapped in plastic. I understand it's a good way of showing that something is brand new, but you can use this kind of semi-translucent, transparent wax paper all the same. Wow, that's really nice. It has been many moons since I have held an iPad. Seriously. It's been a long time. This is a very nice color. You have a 3-pin connector at the back for peripherals. You have a very small flash package with a very big camera bump. That is a significantly huge camera bump in relation to how big and thick the device itself is. You have volume up and down. You have a power button on the side, I'm assuming. No, it isn't. I have no idea what that is. What that soft touch is on the side. I am a iPad noob. You have a power button up top with speakers at the top and speakers at the bottom. We'll double check to see if the grills are faux or not, or they're actually real. And there are speakers on all 4 sides, or if it's a microphone or something. And the left side is completely clean. We'll do a first time boot up just to show you guys it is real, and it does work, of course. However, please note this is not an e-reader. We will be showing e-reading and note-taking and manga and PDFs and all that kind of fun stuff. Stuff you want to see from us, not videos and the latest App Store navigation, because you guys don't care that we do that because it's an iPad and we're Good eReader. Let's open the pen now, shall we? This should open up like that. Sweet. This is the Apple Pencil. I said pen, it is more of a pen, but it is called the Apple Pencil. This is the latest generation Apple Pencil as well, designed by Apple in California. Of course, let us see what is in this little box here. I have no idea what comes in the pencils. This is as surprise for me as it is for you guys. So we have documentation and how-to. It looks like you double tap on the side. Someone on our YouTube live, Good eReader Lives, pointed that out, that on some pens you can double tap, and that is how you change between the eraser. You know, this looks like the Huawei pen. It really does. The tip looks like it, except this one moves, which is really nice. That was a big issue with the Huawei pen and the TCL pen, is that the tips didn't actually move. This one moves ever so slightly, and you can twist it off, I'm assuming, to replace them if need be. Let's open this up because, well, we're not stopping there. We gotta actually do the review. We have the pencil here, so you're going to be able to tap the side to change it. This thing is nicely weighted. It feels really weighted. I like that. I'm assuming you need to charge it, which is probably what this little panel is, to charge the pen like that. It's probably going to say connect and all that fun stuff, but we will get into a full review and comparisons on this, and thank you very much to Apple for sending us this sample. This is everything that comes in the box with the brand new latest generation 2022 Apple iPad Air, plus Apple Pencil and stickers and not Lightning cable, and yes, USB-C. A lot of stuff changed since the last time we have done an Apple product. Stay tuned for the review. For goodereader.com, this is Peter.